how can chitta be disabled from creating bondage? And the answer is Shikhandi. Shikhandi is the role of brahmacharya. The sex-based fight is a fight relating to karmic process. Karma-based fight means always you are improving your circumstances. And no matter how improved you are never happy. But brahmacharya-based movement that takes you away from mala, that disables chitta. Chitta that is busy with supporting lower self. That chitta is no longer need to support lower self, but becomes an inspiration for the higher self. In brief, the role of brahmacharya implying nishkama state. You have two choices. Choice led by karma, that's called sakamya. You are working with for the expectation, for the fulfillment of your desire. Another, to be free of all desires. That movement is brahmacharya. So no longer you are led by kama, krodha, lobha, all the impurities. You are led by sublimation of all these. And that sublimation is played by Shikhandi, who is born. Shikhandini is a long story, but he is basically impotent. And he has to become the shield. When chitta he is confronted in a spiritual battle with the shield of brahmacharya, then shield chitta becomes disabled. Because it cannot fight against brahmacharya. Very subtle point behind it.
ने का आशीर्वाद दिया था उसे लौटा आए।
उनका आशीर्वाद लौटा वासुदेव?
हाँ बड़े भैया, यदि उनके आशीर्वाद और आपके बीच स्वयं वही धनुष में वाण लगाए खड़े हैं, तो फिर उनकी
Krishna is telling you this, you go and return his blessings. Bhishma always blessed him, may you be victorious. But it implies Bhishma has to be disabled. So Yudhishthira is going to say, I don't want to disable you, and I want to return. And you don't want to move away from the battle. So for your own sake, to make your words true, I want to return the blessing you gave. All these are spicy things.